Hello everyone, welcome to EnggClasses YouTube channel. In this video lecture we'll consider finding the Q15 representation for the given decimal number. The number is 0.560123. So what I have to do is, let me consider the number 0.560123. So this number I would successively multiply this by 2. The question is how many times I have to multiply. The answer is I have to multiply this for the 15 times, as it is said to find Q15 representation. So I have to multiply the number successively 15 times, and every time I'll get the product and I get the carry. If I multiply 0.560123 into 2, I'm going to get the number as 1.120246 as the answer. And what is the carry? So this is going to be the carry bit. So here I'm going to write this as the carry bit. So leaving carry bit, the number is 0.120246. So I'll consider this number and I would again multiply this by 2. And what I'm going to get this time? So this time I'm going to get 0.240492 as the answer. So what is going to the carry bit? Here the carry bit is 0. So let me write the carry bit as 0. So leaving the carry bit, the number is 240492. So let me multiply this number again by 2. If I do that, I'm going to get 0.480984 as my answer. So what is the carry bit? So carry bit is going to be 0. So next I'm going to consider the number as 0.480984. So let me multiply this number again by 2, and that leads to the answer of 0.961968. And what is the carry bit? Carry bit is going to be 0. And now I'm going to get the number as 0.961968. So multiply this by 2. So what I'm going to get? That leads me to the answer of 1.923936 as the answer. So here the carry bit is going to be 1 this time. So let me write the carry bit as 1. So I'm left with now 0.923936. So this number, let me multiply this by 2. So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get the answer as 1.847872 as the answer. And the carry bit I'm going to get as 1. So let me write 1. So next the number is leaving carry bit. I would write the number as 0.847872. So this number I would multiply with the 2, and I'm going to get 1.695144 as the answer. And the carry bit I'm going to get it as 1, and the number I'm going to get it as 0.695144. So again this number I would multiply this by 2. So what I'm going to get? I'm going to get 1.391488 as the answer, and the carry bit I'm going to get it as 1. So next number I would consider for the multiplication is leaving carry bit. It is 0.391488. Multiply this by 2, and that leads me to the answer of 0.782976. What is the carry bit? Carry bit is going to be 0 over here. So next what I do is I'll consider the next number as 0.782976 as my next number. So this I would multiply with 2, and that leads me to the answer of 1.565952 as the answer. and the carry bit is going to be 1. So leaving that, I would consider the next number as 0.5659552, and this I would multiply with 2. So I'm going to get the answer as 1.131904, and the carry bit is going to be 1. So leaving that, I would consider the number as 0.131904. So that would be my next number. So that gets multiplied with 2, and I'm going to get the answer as 0.263808 as the answer, and the carry bit I'm going to get it as 0. So leaving that, I would consider the next number as 0.263808 as the next number. So that I would multiply with 2, and that leads me to the answer of 0.527616, and I'm left with the carry as 0, and the next number is going to be 0.527616. that gets multiplied with the 2, and the answer I'm going to get it as 1.055232, and the carry bit is going to be 0. So next number is going to be 0.055232, that gets multiplied with 2, and I'm going to get the answer as 0.110464. What is the carry bit? Carry bit is going to be 0. So I have done the iteration for the 15 times. So ultimately what would I do is this, I will write it as the MSB bit, and the last bit in the iteration, this I would write it as LSB bit. So ultimately the answer, the Q15 representation for the number 0.560123, the representation of this in signed Q15 representation is going to be 0. So I said I would start with MSB. It is 1 followed by 3 zeros and 4 ones. So let me write this as 0.1 followed by 3 zeros, and then I have got 4 ones, and then I have got 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and I think I made a mistake here. This is the carry bit is 1. So as you can see, the carry bit is 1. So ultimately the answer is 1, 0. So therefore the final answer for the Q15 representation of 0.560123 is equal to 0.1000 followed by 4 ones, then 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 as the final answer. I think you have understood this numerical. I hope there are any doubts. If there are any doubts, please let me know them onto the comment section, and I'm happy to answer those doubts. Thank you so much for watching.